Hello, everybody. Hope you're okay. So, have you ever used like a TV remote application on your phone? I'll pick this phone up. It's dead. I was going to demo it on here, but it's dead. And have you ever gone and looked at it and gone, why don't they let you use these volume buttons to control the volume on the TV? Um, well, the short answer, very simply, is Apple doesn't let you. But there is a catch. There is one place on iOS you can use those buttons. And I'm going to jump into some code in a minute, and I'm going to show you how, for my SkyQ app that we have here in the house, that allows us to control the SkyQ boxes. SkyQ is a TV service here in the UK. I can control them using my phone. So let's jump over to the computer and let me explain. So you got your mobile device here that looks like this. It's got its buttons. These buttons are by default mapped to system settings. They're mapped to the volume, right? But Apple allows you, with the help of AV Capture Event Interaction, to access those buttons in one specific case only. And that is when you're using the camera. So as it says here, the System Camera app allows people to perform capture functions by pressing the hardware buttons on the iOS device. UIKit apps can add similar functionality by using the type to register handlers and respond to interaction from the device. So in this demo, it's showing that the event has a phase, and it doesn't actually specify here that you can do. Oh, it does here. That you can do both primary and secondary buttons. They're not the buttons you think they are. The primary is the down, and the secondary is the up. I know. Don't even. But in my SkyQ app, I've gone in here because it's a personal app, and I know what I'm using it for. I've added camera access. So we're requesting some camera access. We're doing an AV capture session setup. And in that AV capture session, we're just capturing the... So it says somewhere in here, it says in this very long list of explanations, this API is for capture. The camera events are only sent when the app is actively using the camera. Background applications, blah, 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 cannot perform events. So you have to actually be reading the camera. I don't show the camera to the user. But, of course, the user is me, and I know what the camera app's doing. So it's running the camera in the background. It's presenting a view on top of it, so you can't see it anyway. But that allows us to do one thing and one thing only. Add an AV capture event interaction. And when the event begins, send the volume down and the volume up buttons to the system to tell it that I am controlling the SkyQ box. I just thought this is a quick one. It's showing, I just thought I'd show you a bit of a workaround. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.